My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, I'm very, very excited about this video we're doing on today. Now, I don't usually get this box, okay? But this is a very special box. TRENDMOOD advertised this box on Instagram, and the contents of this box are Black-owned makeup brands only. The entire box consists of just that. So when I heard about it, you know I was on it. So we're going to jump in and find out which one of the black makeup brands are in this box. Okay, so all right, it's full, I'll have you know, but we're just gonna jump in. Okay, now I don't see a description card here, so I'm going to pull out my tablet and we will search it out on the tablet and I'll let you know what I find. Okay, now the first item that we have is by Zodiac Cosmetics. So let's just see what Zodiac Cosmetics has to say. This says, Zodiac Cosmetics strives to assist you in capturing your sun signs uniqueness through the art of makeup. We have handcrafted our cosmetic line based on the characteristics of your constellation. So this product right here is the Stardust Highlighter. And it says, want them to see you from the moon glow like a star? Zodiac Cosmetics Stardust Loose Highlighting Powder illuminates your complexion to create a blinding glow with a shimmering finish. This lightweight powder glides seamlessly on the skin, allowing the natural light to reflect off the high points of your face and body. It's ultra buildable. Start slow unless you want to blind someone. For best results, apply with the index finger or small beauty sponge, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $12. And we have it in the shade Zeus. Okay, now it is sealed. So I'm just going to lift the safety seal. Oh, wow. Just a little, gee whiz. Okay, this is enough product to last a lifetime. Okay, so I'm just going to put it, oh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. And that was just a touch. That wasn't even a lot of the product. Look at that. That's just a small amount, but it is beautiful. Okay, and this is the Stardust Highlighter, and it's in the shade Zeus. I have enough to pass around for a very long time and still have plenty. Okay, so the next item that we have, I am very familiar with, by Untitled Cosmetics. Okay, I'm sorry. Their website says, pigment is our passion. From gorgeous nudes to show-stopping reds, find your perfect lipstick shades here. from our matte lipstick and semi-matte lipstick collections. Okay, and their mattes are $18. Okay, and as I stated, the shade that we have is Nude La La. Okay, and it is that bullet look, and it's gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and we'll just swipe right here. Okay, and that is the shade here, which I must say is nice. It went on rather nice and smooth. It went on rather creamy. It's nice and pigmented. So I do like this shade, by the way, as well. And as I stated, it is $18. Okay, there's another lipstick in this box. This one is by the company Colored Rain. Now, I am familiar with Colored Rain. Their site says they offer cruelty-free cosmetics made in the USA, moisturizing lipsticks, eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, eyelashes, and more, formulated for all skin tones. Okay? Now, look at this lipstick package right here. That is beautiful. Okay, and this is in the shade Whipped. That's nice too. Okay, nice and smooth, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on their lipsticks $17. Okay, and we have another product in here from Colored Rain, and this is the Smoke Show. Okay, and this is beautiful packaging as well, and this is an eyeshadow palette. It does come with a mirror, and these are some gorgeous shades as well. Look at that. Okay. Okay, the Smoke Show is a 6-pan warm-toned eyeshadow palette consisting of 1 shimmer and 5 matte shades. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $25. I'm going to swatch. Whoa. I'm just going to swatch 3 of the shades. Good night. Look at that. Okay, this is Smokescreen, this one is Showtime, and this is Torch. This one is Torch. Look at that. Gorgeous. And that is the Smoke Show by Colored Rain. Okay, then, we have another lipstick. Oh, and I am familiar with this company. I have one of their lipsticks. And you know, when you really like something, you keep it close by. I keep it close by. So that tells you this is a pretty good lipstick. I have it on hand. Okay, and this is the Propa Beauty. Okay, and this one says it's a luminous satin lipstick from Propa Beauty. Features a variety of nude lipstick shades carefully crafted for those of us with dark skin tones. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $12. And the shade that I have here is Focused. Okay, and let's just swatch this one. See, ooh, ooh, okay. All right, and this is Focused right here. This is beautiful, and even their packaging is beautiful. Okay, and moving right along, I have to tell you, I'm having fun looking through this. We have a couple more items in here. This one is quite glittery. This is like a showstopper here. And this is their metal and liquid glitter collection. Okay, it says, this is a water-based glitter eyeliner, long-lasting and smudge-free. Metal and liquid glitter is perfect for adding a subtle shimmer to your look. The precise applicator sweeps seamlessly over the lash line for a smooth, professional finish. Okay. Here we go. There's the glitter. Oh, okay. That's nice too. And it actually looks nice on my skin tone. Okay. All right, now this is a UK brand. Now, according to their website, which gives their prices in British pounds, okay, and so it says it's £10. I don't know what that is supposed to mean, if that's $10 in UK money, or if that is $10 US, okay? Now, the last, we are coming to the bottom of the box. But I've enjoyed everything I've pulled out of here. So the last thing we have is by OPV Beauty as well. Remember, this is the UK brand. And this is the Born to Shine Blush Palette. Okay. The palette does look just like the packaging. And according to their website, it says guarantee to shine with our new blush with a wide range of shades. These silky matte shimmery pans are created to blend easily for the most natural looking rosy look. Created with all skin tones in mind. And it has 6 pans, 6 large pans. Now it does come with a mirror. That's the full size of the palette. And look at these blush shades. Gorgeous. And they do have names. This one is Uplifting. This is Light. This is Smile. Keep Calm. Positive and Unstoppable. I'm about to find me a blush brush, y'all. I'm gonna go in with Smile. I think I might even add a little Unstoppable on top. Ooh, nice. Okay, it's getting a little warm in here, y'all. Okay, oh, I am so excited. I'm glad that I had an opportunity to get this box. Now, I will tell you, as soon as I made up my mind that I was going to do it, she opened up to get this package at 9:30 my time. 9:29 I was already online, okay? Soon as 9:30 hit, I was pressing the button, and I was so grateful because within, I want to say about 2 hours, it was sold out. So I'm very, very happy that I was able to receive all of these wonderful products, and even more so that I am able to share them with you. Now, I do thank you so very much for spending time with me on today, opening up this TRENDMOOD B.O.M.B product box, okay? B.O.M.B is Black-owned makeup brand, for those of you who do not know, okay? And I enjoyed everything that was in this box. I can't say for certain right now what is my favorite product, but I do know the one that I will probably get the least amount of use out of, and that will probably be the glitter liner, because I'm not big on glitter, but you never know. You never know. So these are the products that I received in this TRENDMOOD B.O.M.B box, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of the contents of the box is listed below as always. And I just want to let you know before I do say bye that please remember that I do have a giveaway that is going on my channel right now. I will link it above when you get a moment, like right now. Okay, since you're already here, you might as well go ahead and take a look at it. It's really good. At least I think so. Okay, and while you're there and you're taking a look, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can participate in this giveaway as well. Now, as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.